Cracking your knuckles might not be music to everyone's ears, but rest assured, it's not as harmful as you might think. Contrary to popular belief, the sound isn't caused by bones or joints rubbing together. Instead, it's the result of a gas bubble that forms between the bones and then pops. Love doing it? Go ahead, research is on your side, indicating that this habit doesn't cause or contribute to arthritis. However, if you're experiencing regular or severe pain when cracking your joints, it's best to consult your doctor. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting insights.